Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'll share with you another brand new airdrop earning opportunity from the project called MWX. So MWX basically is a decentralized AI marketplace and they already have a huge community of 114k followers. Recently, their loyalty program went live where they are sharing 100k worth of rewards, so you can join now. As for the funding, they have raised 700k and their rewards are confirmed, so don't miss this. I'll show you step by step how you can participate, but before that, if you haven't subscribed to our YouTube channel yet, then please subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss any future airdrops. Also, most importantly, you need to join our Telegram channel where I share almost all crypto airdrop updates. All links are in the description, so check them out. To join the airdrop, I'll provide a Telegram post link in the video description. After landing here, first you need to connect your wallet, so click here on Connect Wallet. Then connect with Ethereum, then choose any of the following wallets. I'll select MetaMask here, then connect, and after that confirm the request and you are set to go. So here you will find some tasks which you need to complete one by one. So first you need to connect your Twitter, click on Connect X, then authorize. After connecting, you need to follow their account, so click here on Go to Account, then follow their profile, then come back and click on Claim, and done. For completing task, you can see your earning balance here. Next, you need to join their Telegram, so click on Join Telegram, then join their group, then come back and click on Claim, and done. Next, you need to connect Discord, so click on Connect Discord, then authorize. Now you need to join their server. For that, click on Go to Discord, then accept invite. Then you need to verify. For that, click here, then click on verify, then solve the captcha and submit, and done. So go back and again click here, and done. Next, you need to join their X community. For that, click here on Join Community, then join their community, then agree and join, then come back and click on Claim, and done. Next, you need to follow their founder, so again click here on Go to Account, then follow the profile, go back and click on Claim, and done. Next, you have some daily tasks such as holding MWX tokens to earn points. Then you can post about MWX daily and earn points. Basically, you have to tweet, then you need to paste the link here, and that's it. Next, you have a daily check-in option. You can earn 2 points daily, so don't forget to collect daily. Then here is the invite friends option. Simply click here and you will find your referral link, which you can share with your friends to boost your points. Also, here you can claim some Discord roles. Basically, you need to be active on Discord to earn roles. Also, scroll down and here you will find some sign up tasks. For example, you can connect your email, so click here, then enter your email, then click on next. Now they will send a verification email, so check your email and click on verify, and done. Next, you can sign up on the MWX marketplace, so make sure to sign up here. After that, you can participate in the Astral MWX Chest Raffle where you can enter by using 350 points. So you can buy now from here. So that's all for this video. Please like and share, and if you are new to this channel, then please don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.